So here's Public Square app, and just a quick overview of this app. What's the idea? It's just a marketplace, and you would say, hey, there are like so many apps like that where you can just buy all the different products, like just Amazon, whatever. But this is the app where you can shop your values. So the businesses here who are selling are aligned with specific values. I don't know if they're like, like Republican stores or Democratic stores, but that's basically the idea. I think mostly this is just like a red aligned businesses, which are either conservative or on the Republican side. And yeah, then you can just shop specifically in these business owners or on these stores, and you know that you interact and you spending your money on people and businesses which share values similar as you share. So that's basically the whole concept of this app. Is like super interesting. And then yeah, if you just want to buy, you then you can just buy all of these products. So yeah, something around that. You can just favorite those, then there is your account. You can just go and log out, just easily create your account. You can easily add your business, and that's it. Unfortunately, this app is not yet that available everywhere. It's only available in United States in specific areas. It doesn't have this huge database of businesses, but you can filter by restaurants, coffee and tea banks, anything when you want to support kind of like Republican aligned businesses in US. So that's like a cool idea with this app. I don't know if there is an app to support like democratic businesses or anything, but like yeah, in these times of like huge political like different views, there are more and more apps like that.